Global competition is intensifying. The demand for highly efficient production systems has never been greater. Companies face three key challenges: lean production, high availability, future-proof systems. That's where uTrack comes in, a game-changing AGV solution built for the future. It's the ideal AGV for large and heavy load manufacturing at assembly lines across a wide range of industries. Including construction, commercial vehicles, energy, machine tools, and agriculture. uTrack does what other systems simply cannot. uTrack is ultra-efficient, up to 10 times more efficient than other AGV systems. uTrack is ultra-compact, with a total height of just 260 millimeters. uTrack is ultra-precise, with positioning accuracy down to 0.3 millimeters. uTrack is ultra-strong, with a maximum transport capacity from 5 up to 200 tons. uTrack is ultra-available, the perfect AGV for maximum production reliability. The uTrack system is easy to implement and operate. It is equipped with high-quality, maintenance-free components. The round track system features low rolling resistance for maximum efficiency. It's safely integrated flush into the floor, fully accessible and passable. The AGV uses powerful direct drives to move heavy and large loads with ease. It's equipped with cutting-edge battery and charging technology for peak performance. The robust communication system is based on the latest industrial Wi-Fi standard. RFID transponders for navigation and the charging system are seamlessly embedded in the floor. Reliable safety technology is ensured by two 270-degree laser scanners. uTrack is setting new standards. In direct comparison, uTrack outperforms other AGV systems in almost every key category. It reduces overall costs by up to 30% within just 5 years. The result? 7-1. uTrack wins. uTrack is the benchmark for lean production. And it all starts with you.